In this video, you will learn how to convert measuring units to others, and how we can perform mathematical operations in Inkscape. For example, we have this rectangle. Its size is given here in the width and height field. Let's say you have to design in millimeters, and you have to draw a rectangle of size 3 by 4 inches by converting it to millimeters. One way is that first, you change the measuring unit to inches, then change values here, and then change units again to millimeters. Or, you first convert inches to millimeters by using some third source, and then type exact values. Both ways give you the desired result, but waste a lot of time. So, here is an easy solution that Inkscape gives you. All you need is to select the rectangle first, go to width, and type 3in, which means 3 inches in width, and press enter. Similarly, type 4 inches in height, and press enter, or click outside the field. That's how easily you have got the desired rectangle, and converted inches to millimeters. You can recheck it by converting the display unit here to inches. Another advantage that Inkscape gives you is that you can also perform mathematical operations in these fields directly. For example, if I want to double the height of this rectangle, then simply type *2 after the height value, which means multiply by 2, and press enter. It will automatically update its value. Likewise, if you want to divide the width of this object by 3, then simply type /3 after the width value, which means divided by 3, and press enter, and you have your result right away. You can also perform addition and subtraction like this. This feature is useful for resizing objects, moving them precisely, or adjusting their properties.